Hi guys, this is Fabian again. Welcome back to the channel. Today I decided to do an improvised video. I'm alone here doing a trip here on France from one city where I am, Brest. I moved here 1 day trip to a city called Camper. It's the pronunciation on French. I just wanted to say I'll talk a little bit about a concept that I realized or I came across in my mind while being here and while I was on the road. And when you study abroad and when you travel in general, you will learn how to be alone. It's going to be a challenge, but that is also a good thing because you'll be able to adapt and to be comfortable in your own skin. You're going to realize how great you are, how your ideas, how your brain works, because you'll be spending a lot of time alone. Even there will be times where you won't even be on your cell phone. And those are the most important times or moments so that you realize how you can actually create things and how to reflect on yourself. And it works as a meditation. Like I'm right now for you guys to put yourself in my shoes. I'm here alone in the other side of the world because I'm from Latin America by myself and I don't know no one here. Like at least in the city, the university city where I live, I know people. I've been able to make friends at the university, at the student residence, with neighbors, with gym bros. You know, as some of you knows and been following my channel, I like to work out. However, here, like on this small town, I don't know anyone, right? And it makes you. Those are the moments when you realize, well, I'm alone in the middle of the world with no one. Today, as I'm recording this video, is December 21st. So, or December 20th is going to be my very first Christmas by myself, alone, without family, without friends, and it makes you think, that not everything you see on social media, that where people's, those travel channels and accounts, everyone seems to be very happy, and that's not the case because people tends to only show off their happy moments, the highlights, but not the good part. And I think that's why a lot of people loves the idea of either migrating to a first world country or studying abroad, because they see all the happy moments on social media. But it also makes you live, and during the process you'll be able to experience those difficult moments, those maybe not difficult, but that it's not something super nice to be alone with your thoughts in the middle of nowhere. So that was all an idea that came across my mind. I hope you enjoyed this concept. If you ever experience something like that, please feel free to comment it in the comment section. If you would like to know more about my scholarships, watch this video here that I recorded some weeks ago, and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Until next one.